He doesn't seek approval from anyone. He's neither an alpha nor a beta. He is a Sigma male. He walks alone, but when he walks, the whole world is left behind. If you've always felt different from the crowd, you speak less, and live by your own rules, then this video is for you. Today, you'll discover the psychology, habits, mindset, and lifestyle of a Sigma male. The man who doesn't just stand apart from the crowd, he stands above it. A Sigma male doesn't chase attention. He doesn't beg for validation. He is complete within himself. The alpha wants everyone to follow him. The beta wants someone to lead him. But the Sigma, he doesn't need anyone. He's a lone wolf. He craves power, but not to show off. He wants control over himself, his mind, his path. His greatest strength? Self-mastery. Before he conquers the world, he conquers himself. A Sigma's thinking is simple. It's either my way or no way. He doesn't make emotional decisions. He chooses logic, clarity, and strategy. He prefers solitude because that's where he upgrades himself. What others think, he doesn't care. He doesn't compare himself to others. He competes only with who he was yesterday. He's not afraid of the crowd. He's irritated by it. Because while the crowd wonders how to survive, the Sigma is busy figuring out how to rule. He's a deep thinker. He observes everything. He thinks before he speaks. People build strategies, but the Sigma is the strategy. He's obsessed with his goals. Distraction for him is death. Few friends, full focus. He sets boundaries. He's a master at saying no. Emotions don't control him. He controls them. He protects his energy. He doesn't mix with everyone. His energy is only for those who help him grow. He never shows off. He may have money, power, peace, but you'd never. Because truly powerful men stay silent. Society says, be social, make connections, stick with the group. But the Sigma says, I walk alone, because lions don't move in herds. The alpha wins the battle. The beta avoids the battle. But the Sigma doesn't run. He becomes the master of the battle itself. The alpha wants domination. The beta wants validation. The Sigma wants only elevation, to rise above his past self. And if you want to become a Sigma, then burn these 5 rules into your life. 1. Learn to be alone. Silence is your power. 2. Master discipline. Whether motivation is there or not, the work must get done. 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. Only aim to be better than yesterday. 4. Trust yourself. You are your own mentor, your own student. 5. Value your purpose more than the world's opinion. Whether they notice or not, you keep building. The people who change the world always think differently. Being a Sigma male isn't a trend. It's an inner calling. If this video speaks to you, then promise yourself one thing. You will no longer be part of the crowd. You will become a Sigma. Remember, standing apart from the crowd isn't a weakness. It's your greatest strength.